For 13 times 25, I'll break apart 13 into 10 and 3, and 25 into 20 and 5. Using base 10 blocks, I'll build 4 sections of a rectangular area: 10 times 20, 10 times 5, 3 times 20, and 3 times 5. Now I'll multiply each part. 10 times 20 equals 200 because 10 times 10 equals 100, and I'll do that twice for both 10s. 10 times 5 equals 50 because 10 times 1 equals 10, and I'll do that each time I multiply 10 by 1, a total of 5 times.
10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 1 is 10.
3 times 20 equals 60 because 1 times 10 equals 10, and I'll do that each time I multiply 1 by 10, a total of 3 times for both 10s. 3 times 5 equals 15 because 1 times 1 equals 1, and I'll do that each time I multiply 1 by 1, a total of 5 times for each of the 3 rows. Adding them together gives 200 plus 50 plus 60 plus 15 equals 325. So 13 times 25 equals 325.